How will we bridge the distance, cross the divide? There is so much resistance, ignorance and pride. News goes on, and it brings me to my knees. I seek right from wrong and a little mercy. Maybe we'll find a teacher, help us heed a call. The poets, the prophets, the preachers bring lessons for us all. There are few words and so many wounds to ease. Speak and be heard for a little mercy. But if we keep on working, well, peace might have a chance. And the bells might start ringing once justice is our stance. There is redemption once everyone believes. No unjust exemption, it's just a little mercy.